1, 2, 3, go.
Senior of the Month.
Okay, this is section 2. Good evening again, and welcome to another edition of Senior of the Month. We've got Lexie. How do you pronounce your last name?
Smith.
Here we go. Let's start with question 1. Are you ready, Lexie?
Yes.
All right. What is your worst childhood memory?
Well, that was probably when my grandmother passed away.
Mm.
Because we were all there for that, so we all witnessed it and everything. But,
Yeah.
I guess it was probably good that we were all there.
Yeah. You feel okay. Question 2. If you could eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Spaghetti.
Are you serious? Spaghetti?
Yeah, it's like the best.
No, it's not.
Like in meatballs or just spaghetti, just pasta and sauce?
Just like pasta and sauce. I mean cheese.
And Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's going good so far. We're on question 3. What's your favorite? Now you're a cheerleader, correct?
Yes.
Now what sport are you a cheerleader for?
Basketball.
Okay, and you go to
Northwest.
Northwest, okay. Well, that explains this question because this one is, what's your favorite cheer?
I forgot the name of it. I wrote it on this paper.
Go Bruins, go.
Yeah, go Bruins, go.
Would you mind demonstrating that cheer for us?
I wouldn't mind. Okay, so it's just go. No, it's not actually. It's go Bruins, go.
Nice.
Woo!
All right. Completely different question. With what is your favorite restaurant?
Beavis in Chattanooga. Oh no, it's in Hickson.
Beavis.
Yes, it's an Italian restaurant where I can eat that spaghetti for the rest of my life.
I gotcha. Never heard of that before in my life. Beavis, but it's good. Very good Italian place.
Very good.
Nice. Let's bring it down a little bit here with this next one. What is your favorite Bible verse, and how have you used it in your life?
It's 1 John 4:18, and it's. Crap.
You have notes there left yet?
Yes, I do.
It's always good to plan.
It's perfect love casts out all fear. And so that's just really helped me, like anytime I'm afraid or anything, it
When you're
reminds me,
dealing with fear, yeah.
yes, that God can just cast away all my fear and just completely help me.
It's a big deal.
Yes.
Big deal. 1, 2, 3, go.
Senior of the Month.